can all be proud of. Whatever said and done, it has improved the morale of the badminton club. 68 years of India's independence, the film on the traffic of the has been made. There was some novelty to it. So finally, it's nothing but it's a marketing, it's a complete out and out marketing spin, the way we market the film.
Does the audience have any questions for us? Okay, now we will be having a lunch break, and right after the lunch break, we will be showing you the movie Where is Ellie Kari.
हाँ वाइट कलर से ज़्यादा मुझे पता है मेरे बालों पे दिखी है और क्या
Nice experience for you on this festival. And I have been a friend of this festival right from the beginning, on the jury.
I will congratulate you.
Thank you.
ये तो हम सब
Let me introduce you to the festival director here. Sorry. Well, I am Bharadwaj, 87 young, and a regular friend of many national and international film festivals. I have a number of awards, and this festival I am attending right from the beginning as the jury member. I will soon introduce you to the director of this festival. He'll tell you more. But I'm lucky today they have considered to give me Lifetime Achievement Award day at this festival in the evening. Thank you. Let me introduce my young friend who is enthusiastically working on encouraging and creating new crop filmmakers. And you will see so many young people with good films. And here I present to you Mr. Raj Bull Singh. Am I right, sir? Yeah. Please.
फेस्टिवल के बारे में थोड़ा
सा बोल दीजिए कि the way you are like पहले तो on anyway just briefly
okay, it's an Cine Film Festival which we are conducting today here, and Mr. G.L. Bharadwaj is a jury, and he's a very senior professional filmmaker. He has spent almost his life in creating short films and documentaries. So to respect his very long experience and creativeness and worthiness and the service he is giving to the short filmmaking industry, we are awarding him today with the Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to the documentaries and short film development in India. And we are happy to associated with him, not only in this film festival, but he has associated with us in past almost 3 to 5 years. And we are very to have Mr. G.L. Bharadwaj with us.
49 minutes and 20 seconds. So the movie will be played. Can you have the lights off, please?
any clips if you can? Can they get some clip from?
I don't know. I've been going to look at my introduce.
Okay, problem. So how should we go ahead? I'm a bit confused seriously. Okay, are you starting? Okay, cool. Hey, hi. I am Pam Singh. I'm a writer and director, and I'm here for our short film Countdown. Because I'm VFX background, this film is is VFX in film. I would say it took almost like 10 months because there were many shots, but where we had to do 3D tracking, and there was a high-end like VFX processing of the entire frame. To say about the film from the story point of view, so when I wrote this film, I was reading the subconscious mind-based books like The Secret, mainly that all the book from author Rhoda Byrne. As I'm saying, this film also is based on subconscious theory, where the main guy, the protagonist, he is from art background. He's living a nice, decent life. He's having livable parents. He's having a girlfriend, his best friend, and then he loses one after one, and then he reaches to a stage where he finds himself in a world of. But this guy holds a kind heart, so he finds a key to break out, and then he just comes out, and then he recovers, and then starts a new beginning, a new life. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah, I have been last year's winner. My Rashi film had got 4 awards as the Best Emerging Woman Director and Best Actress, Best Actor. And I think this film festival gives a great boost to small filmmakers like us. Now our film has gone for world premiere in USA on 9th, 10th, 11th October. And I feel that Ram has given a boost to me as a filmmaker. Thank you. I'm Rupa Chafar. Thank you.
I'm very happy to come to ICF FF14. It was a great opportunity to see my film in the front of such a beautiful and veteran jury. और मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह के फेस्टिवल्स और होने चाहिए जिससे कि नए फिल्म मेकर्स जैसे ये मेरी डेब्यू मूवी थी उनको और से और चांस मिले अपने काम को दिखाने का और जिस तरह से दे आर शोकेसिंग मूवीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड इज अ वेरी गुड मीडियम टू लर्न टू नो मोर अबाउट अदर पीपल अदर डायरेक्टर्स एंड देयर वर्क सो इट इज़ अ प्रिविलेज फॉर मी टू बी हियर attend this festival.
Our next esteemed guest of honor and jury is Mr. Bhargav Sakai. Born in 1988, Bhargav Sakai was educated at the Assam Valley School.
1928, not 38.
Sorry, 1928. Our next esteemed guest of honor. Our next very special guest of the evening, Ram Desh and Rani Jhansi, won various awards and recognitions in India. His production house, Kailash Company, has also undertaken several Hollywood projects and commercials that have been shot in India. He is the source of inspiration for all emerging makers. I would like to invite Mr. Sumit Tyagi, advisor to Minibox office, and Mr. Rambul Singh, festival director, to kindly come and present him with a memento. Okay, now it's time to welcome the filmmakers of the Indian Cine Film Festival 2014. Okay, the first is Levi Bernard Pinto for the Mount of Nirnimesh Dubey for Truth or Dare. Javi Changiara for Arman.
Ma'am, please come.
See, it's Indian culture when somebody comes to your home. You give it full heart. Welcome to that person. So you're clapping something like that.
Jai.
This is the welcome of it.
Kiran Rajkumar for Madam Ketu. Jaideep Chopra Mazi.
नवोदित आपके फिल्मकार आ रहे हैं, आप उनको किस तरह से हौसला अफजाई करते हैं? आप तालियां मत बजाइए, कोई बात नहीं। जो लोग तालियां जन्म में नहीं बजाते, जो इस जन्म में ताली नहीं बजाते उसको अगले जन्म में ताली बजानी पड़ती है। आई डोंट नो कितना सच्चाई है इस बात में, लेकिन आप बजाते रहिए।
Arun Chilara for Brochevaru, The Savior in You. Priyanka Tanwar for Little Big George. Shajan Samuel for the Resilient Bengaluru Traffic Police. Shankar Chakraborty for Different Strokes. Neeraj Jha for Julie. Boris Shargal for Wiz Elikari and What Happened to Noriko Sam. She has sounded nice. The Wedding Filmer for In Theory. Shruti Vora for Foolkari. Pan Singh for Countdown. Yagandhra Jha. Thanks, and I would like to request in the esteemed guests please stand and take your seats.
इज्जत के साथ मंच तक लेकर आए और लाइफ अचीवमेंट अवार्ड जिसके आप सब गवाह बनने जा रहे हैं उसको देने की। आपकी तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। आज ये समाज रहेगा है भारत साहब, हम बड़े खुश नसीब हैं कि इतने महान इंडस्ट्री के कलाकार हमारे बीच में हैं, फिल्मकार हमारे बीच में हैं। बहुत ही बड़ा सौभाग्य आप सबका ये फिल्म should be proud of yourself today you are witnessing such a personality। अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा भारद्वाज साहब से कि दो शब्द।
मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना, सिर्फ ये एक शाबाश देनी है जो यंग फिल्म मेकर ये मेरा यंग फ्रेंड तैयार कर रहा है। मैं इससे भी यंग जनरेशन को उत्साहित कर रहा हूँ। यू शुड टेक देम यंग। मैं गो टू हाई स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीच देम very big good photography. Even video camera can take pictures today. You can take better pictures even video camera. But if you become a professional, especially that everybody will become, some of them will become big filmmakers, earn big names, but get started when you are young. और ये मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ, जज्बा दिल कर मैं चाहूँ हर चीज काबिल आ जाए, मंजिल के लिए दो पाँव चलूं और सामने मंजिल आ जाए। एक बच्ची का कंप्यूटर था, नहीं जाती, मैंने क्या दिया, कैमरा इज माय फर्स्ट लव। मैंने देखा भी था तो कैमरे के व्यू फाइंडर के थ्रू देखा। अच्छी बात है, कोई बात नहीं। We have children, we have grandchildren, and we have great grandchildren also।
और मैं खुदा से गुजारिश करूंगा कि आपकी दोनों मोहब्बतें बरकरार इस तरह से चलती रही, कैमरे वाली भी और जिंदगी वाली भी। बहुत बहुत आपका सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और इसके बाद
And all the people who are involved in this festival, Mini Box Office, I'm very honored to be here as a special guest. I just managed to see a little bit of work, the last 2 or 3 films, and I'm looking at all these wonderful posters. But I know that the filmmakers here are real filmmakers. They're not amateurs. They're people who have passion for film, who've been observing films and for the story to tell, who have something to say from life. And I think there's not much advice I can give, but all I can say is good luck, because this is a big industry out there. We are lucky that today, we are in an age where there are many screens with all of us. There was a time there was only the big screen, which is cinema theaters, but now we have from the smallest screen possible, from your telephone to your computer to your pads, and there are many ways of grabbing people's attention. After all, we're all making films so that people see them. We're making films so that people get involved with them, can tell a story to them, in some way impart some, maybe an emotion, maybe sell something, maybe entertainment, laughter, and we want people to see it. Of course, it is very competitive today. If I was to give you advice, I would say it is very competitive to have someone's attention. I think attention span amongst young people is becoming smaller and more difficult, because patience and so much exposure from all over you're bombarded with film, from all sides, especially kids but somehow still I find kids are going out there on the net or the theatre, finding out what is special and seeing it. And that's something which has no explanation. I've seen some things get viral, as we know. My daughter will suddenly come up, she just sent me a mail.
So when I sent this film to Mr. Bhardwaj, he immediately said, don't send other films. Now this is the winner for this award. So best film jury award. So where is Ellie Carey and what happened to Marcus and director?
journey from Thailand to Japan. You must have enjoyed this movie. In international category in this festival, this is one of the best mentioned. Thanks a lot. Like to share something, ma'am?
I'm sure. And thank you so much. It's the international premiere of the film. I completed only 2 weeks ago, and you're the first people that saw it, so I can't believe.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. The kind of concept they have come up with. The Singh Yogi. Producer Rita Dhawan. And there's a screenplay award for Othello V2.
And I can say it's a must-watch feature film. You can't expect better quality than this movie in any SME movie you can do. And here is the writer, Mr. Rajit Sharma. So,
we have another category of a special mention, film on social cause. And you know that which is this. Arani, the short film, director Rajendra Vinod, producer Rajendra Vinod. RV Films. The movie, she is the actress of the movie, played a wonderful role in this movie. And the jury has especially invented a talent.